Hey Jimbyong, Violet here. I'm in my kitchen right now and you may be wondering, how can the high frequency wand help your gut health? Well, remember, it can reduce pain and inflammation in not only your skin, but all over your whole entire body, such as gut conditions. And we're gonna get into them in just a second, but I wanted to start the treatment with you guys. So you wanna start by applying a thin layer of our powder, conducting powder. And I've already prepared that already. And then we're gonna turn it to about 5 or 6 from the dial. So this goes from 1 to 10. And we're gonna get started. So it's going to reduce that pain and inflammation that's in my gut. And what conditions does it actually help with? So it helps with IBS, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis. It also stimulates the vagus nerve. With like so many of my clients that have healed and improved the quality of their skin and the quality of their life by not only targeting using the high frequency wand on their skin, but also their gut. So some of the benefits that you'll see is you'll detoxify your lymphatic system. You'll reduce the inflammation in your organs for that optimal weight loss. You will also soothe and repair the digestive tract and reduce inflammation in order to heal like a leaky gut, for example, or it's great for people with autoimmune conditions. And for optimal results, I would absolutely recommend 6 to 8 weeks for optimal healing of your digestive repair. You want to use it consistently for about 5 to 15 minutes a day and with consistent use. So what you'll notice as we're doing this here on the phone, but when you do this consistently using the high frequency wand microcurrent on your digestive area, you will see improvement in digestive issues such as bloating, stomach pain, acid reflux, and so much more. So I invite you to use that high frequency wand for more than just skin healing. It can get creative with it. There's a plethora of uses with the high frequency wand. Be a champion of your healing, of your mind, of your body, of your skin.